Hi guys, today I'm going to be making Calcifer from Howl's Moving Castle. I'm starting off with a square block of memory foam and I'm going to cut a circle on the top half. And then I'm going in with a Sharpie to roughly outline Calcifer's flames. Afterwards, I'm going to cut along the outline to distinguish the fire from the pan. This is how the squishy looks so far, and I also went ahead and drew a circle at the top so I can just follow the outline. I used a combination of plucking the foam with my fingers and just cutting the foam with the scissors to dig out a hole. I try to make the pan as flat as possible, but it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be covering it up with the eggs and bacon. For the eggs, I cut out two wonky blobs, and then I created a bumpy rectangle for the bacon. For my base coat, I'm going to paint the foam with this white puffy paint. Welcome to day 2. All of a sudden there's a handle on the pan now. I don't even remember when I put that there. But anyways, today I'm going to be painting the actual colors. The pan is supposed to be black, but for some reason I found myself gravitating towards the color gray. Each layer is just turning into a lighter shade of gray. And for the fire, I did a gradient effect. I also forgot to make the egg yolks, so I'm adding those in right now. This squishy was eating up all my paint. I think it took me 4 layers to cover all the holes. I wanted to make it look like Calcifer was eating something, so I went with this open mouth design. It definitely didn't turn out how I thought it would look like. It kind of looks like Calcifer is scared. Next, I'm going to glue the eggs and bacon with fabric fusion. And now I'm going to be painting the rest of the details on the eggs and bacon. Here's the finished squishy. I did end up poking a few holes on the bottom to make it rise faster. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!